Okay, so I am in WhatsApp and I want to show you how you're going to delete your app here on iPhone. Now, it's kind of a weird process, so stay with me. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to link devices, and here, if there's any link devices, what we're going to do is select them and log out. So remember, this is just a linked device. So currently, I am logged into WhatsApp on my Chrome browser on Mac. And that's why that's there. So we're going to log that out. We're going to force it to log out over there. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go down to chats, and then we're going to go to chat backup, and we're going to make sure that our chat has been backed up to iCloud, because the only way to sign out of WhatsApp on an iPhone is to actually delete everything. So we want to have our chat backed up to iCloud so that when we do sign back in, we can just upload that chat history back in and not lose our messages, okay? So what we would do now is inside of account, we're going to go down to delete my account. You're going to put in your phone number and then you're going to select delete my account. So I'm not going to do that because I don't want to delete this account. But this is the process for doing that. Unfortunately, it's not as cut and dry as you might hope. Um, but you can see here that it is telling you what to do with the message history and the iCloud backup. So hope this helps. If it does, if you could like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.